Good evening, Sarika. Can you please tell us about yourself?
Yes, sir. Good evening. My name is Sarika Jaiswal and I live in Mumbai. I have done my BSc in biotechnology from BN Bandodkar College in Mumbai. After that, I worked in IDBI Bank as an executive, where my major job role was resolving customers' query, updating their KYC, and doing transactions like NEFT, RTGS, check clearing, and issuing checkbook and debit cards. To enhance my further knowledge, I pursued my MBA in finance from MET Institute of Management, Mumbai.
Which year did you complete your MBA? What was the degree you did? MBA in?
MBA in finance in August 2023.
Oh, acha. Since August 23, what are the other exams you have written and you have appeared for interview? Is this the first one?
No, sir, I have also appeared for other interviews. I have given IBPS PO, but I couldn't clear the interview. I have also given SBI PO and I appeared for the interview. However, I couldn't qualify there.
In those two interviews, how many marks did you score? IBPS PO, how many marks did they give you?
Sir, the marks are not declared yet.
Acha, result.
Result only the selected candidate's name and roll number is given. So for the non-selected candidates, the scorecard is not provided yet.
Even for SBI PO, they have not given?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Good. Now, what do you think could have been the reason that you could not succeed in both interviews there?
Sir, I think that my marks in mains exam was less, I think.
Oh, that's good. That may be one of the reasons. Good. Very nice.
Yes.
Um, Now, can you tell us what are your strengths?
Sir, my strengths include adaptability. When I joined bank, I was quick enough to learn about banking, and I am detail oriented. While working in bank, also I was quite detail oriented to make sure the transactions that I'm doing are accurate. And I learned multitasking also in banking by correspondingly working for two desks when there was shortage of staff. And fourth is patience is also something I learned both in my MBA and in my banking.
Oh, good. In the Exim Bank website, I am seeing
Hmm.
some Ubarte Sitare. What is that?
Ubharte Sitare program is specially designed for companies who have the potential to grow and do export. So, Exim Bank will help such companies by providing finance either in the form of equity or debt. But for that, the company needs to have the net profit annual turnover of around 500 crore, and it should be specially in working in the field of chemicals or IT sectors or infrastructure sectors. And there are many other more, but these are some of the important sectors they are focusing on.
What is the latest news about Exim Bank as given in their website?
One I read was that there was a NP of 9,000 crore, which was evoked, and the government helped it to secure the NPA which was turned. So they evoked the guarantee and got that money.
Okay, then
And they have also raised around 1 billion, 10 billion. I'm not sure about the figure, sir, but in the form of, I
mm,
don't remember.
you can tell about India Exim Bank opens its East Africa a representative office in Nairobi, Kenya on 31st May 2024.
Okay.
Note it, note it. It is all there in the website. I am not telling anything new. It is all there in the website. From there only I am telling you.
It has opened its new branch, right, sir?
Yeah, India, this one. India Exim opens its East Africa representative office in Nairobi, Kenya. Then workshop on financial services in free trade agreement. Then Exim Bank reports 62% growth in profit. Corporate loan book records 49% year on year. Loan assets grow by 17%. Did you go through the financial performance figures they have given?
Yes, sir. I have downloaded the investors call or presentation,
Hmm.
but I have just read it once. I need to read it again.
What is the gross non-performing assets
It
percentage?
is 1.92
1.93.
and
Correct, correct.
1.93.
1.93 is correct. Good. Now, are you seeing the screen on? Are you able to see the screen? No.
No.
Very good. Then that is nice. I can ask you business. What is the total business done by our Exim Bank in the year 2023-24?
It is approximately 15,000 crores.
Yamper, they have given you 3,44,000 crore. I
Sir,
think
I have downloaded the investors presentation. In that it was around. I need to check it. I'll check it once
see this one.
later.
This one.
Yes.
Total business 3,44,182, out of which net loan portfolio 1.57. Total
Hmm.
borrowings is 1.54. Operating profit 3,750 crore. Profit after tax 2,518. The net
Hmm.
non-performing asset 0.29.
Hmm.
Capital to risk assets ratio 21.18. It has come down now. Last year it was good. Now it has come down, possibly because of that extra that you were mentioning about some NPA.
Yes.
Maybe good. That is the reason. Can you elaborate about the support that our Exim Bank is giving to MSMEs? You
It
have
is
to go,
providing,
you have to go through this and tell some figures from this.
sir,
Hello.
Bharati's. Yes, sir.
Can you remember?
Can you repeat, sir?
Now I am asking what is the support to MSMEs our Exim Bank has given?
Sir, Ubharte Sitare program is one of such schemes that is provided to MSME, and
Hmm.
this is what I can remember as of now.
Are you seeing now on the screen?
Yes, I can see.
इसमें इतना बड़ा दिया है, इसमें से थोड़ा पढ़ के अब कुछ ना कुछ बताना है ना.
Okay, sir.
Under its Ubarte Sitare scheme, the bank is nurturing and empowering the small and mid-sized companies that have potential advantages by way of differentiated technology, products or processes, but may currently be underperformed. That is, as on March 31, under USP, the bank has extended financial. This point you should say. Bank has
Okay.
extended financial support to 1,214 crore, including 5 equity investments to 62 entities. You must remember this number. They have helped 62 MSMEs. They have given financial support up to 1,214 crore.
Hmm.
Some थोड़ा इसको पढ़ लीजिए ना आप.
Yes, sir.
इसको थोड़ा पढ़ना है आप. No problem. Otherwise, now coming to the other one. Now, can you tell us the tough situation you have faced in life?
In life, I think it was the decision to do MBA after IDBI Bank, because it was a good company to work with. But I also wanted to expand my horizon and wanted to further pursue higher education so that it can open opportunities for me. Due to Since I have done my MBA, I can apply to a great and esteemed organization like Exim. And now I think that it was one of the toughest but a good decision.
Now, why were you not getting campus recruitment in Amity?
I was selected in one of the recruitment. However, I was not getting enough time to prepare for PSU, so I decided to give a certain time to perform fully for the to focus fully entirely for PSU preparation.
Did you
And if
join? Did you join in that selection? Which company were you selected?
I was selected in Aranka, and it was a equity research firm. I did work for there for a month and then I left.
Mhm. Did they give you the salary?
Yes, they did give me.
That is really good. Very nice. In 5 years from now, where do you see yourself?
I see myself holding a managerial position, and I would like to become a subject matter expert so that whenever someone comes to me, I can solve their queries easily. I would like to lead a team and guide them, and also would like to enhance my further technical skills and keep learning and improving over these years.
Can you tell me what are the different types of bank guarantees?
Bid bond guarantee, financial guarantee, advance payment guarantee, and one is performance guarantee.
Very good. Can you tell me the difference between letter of credit and bank guarantee?
Sure, sir. A letter
Let,
of credit,
hmm,
yeah, letter of
tell.
credit, it is a document which is provided by the bank on behalf of the buyer to the seller, uh, and to ensure that if proper documents are provided, then it will be used. On the other hand, talking about bank guarantee, it is a kind of confirmation given by the banks on behalf of buyer to the seller that if any performance obligation is not fulfilled by the buyer, then he will pay on behalf of the buyer. So the main difference here is that bank guarantee is invoked only on non-performance, whereas letter of credit it is a kind of document which is fulfilled on presentation of the documents.
Are you aware of the any new product launched by Exim Bank?
Sustainable financing is one such new product where they are focusing on providing finances to businesses majorly involved in sustainability, like renewable energy, or focusing on improving their uh, carbon dioxide reductions, especially if the company is like into manufacturing. So if they want to get an equipment that is focused on reducing the carbon dioxide, then that kind of companies. So this is the new product that I have read about.
Very good. Now, what is Quad? QUAD?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
No, because they have asked so many questions on that it seems. Quad.com. So उसका बारे में पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. Quad
Yes, yes, sir.
थोड़ा पढ़ना है अब. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Then what do you know about Surface Act?
Uh, SURFACE Act stands for Securitization of Asset Restructuring. I forgot the full
No,
form,
no,
sir.
no, no. If you are not remembering the full form, simply say
Hmm.
Surface Act was introduced in the year 2012. It is used for recovery of NPAs by
Yes,
bringing the mortgaged property to sale directly without going through the legal process, without going through courts.
yes, sir.
So that is how you have to tell about SURFACE Act. What is IBC?
Insolvency Bankruptcy Code.
Yeah.
It was
There
yes.
was a news about it yesterday in some papers. With the change in government, the government will be revising the insolvency bankruptcy code. So please go through the business newspapers to find out what they have mentioned about the changes they may like to bring in here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
please note down. You have to study about quad. You have to study in detail about IBC in the
Yes.
context of newspaper reports.
Yes, sir.
Good. What is a ratio analysis and which ratios are important before giving term loan? Or another question, is our Exim Bank giving working capital to companies?
Working capital loan, yes, through in the form of pre-shipment finance,
Acha.
pre-shipment.
Yeah. Now, please tell me what are the ratios we have to look into before deciding about, say, working capital or what is the other one? Term loan.
Working capital, we can check current ratio, and for term loan, we need to look at many others ratio apart from current ratio, like debt to equity ratio, interest coverage ratio, and inventory turnover ratio.
Important ratio you omitted. Debt service coverage ratio.
Okay, debt service coverage ratio.
Can you explain about it? What is debt service coverage ratio?
This ratio tells us about whether the company is earning enough to cover its debt.
No, you have to tell it because you are MBA. You
Hmm.
must be able to tell what is the numerator, what is the denominator. इसका बारे में
Okay.
थोड़ा डिटेल पढ़ना है, पढ़ के बोलना है.
Sir, I don't
Okay.
remember the formula. I'll keep a note of it.
Yeah. Please prepare for that also. All ratios
Hmm.
in important, say this DSCR, then
Hmm.
current ratio, and also you must know what is the ideal ratio. I think I have given a lot of notes on that. Hello, I
Yes,
have
sir.
I have given. Please prepare. Can you talk to me something about NABFID? NABFID.
Yes, sir. It was recently incorporated for the functioning of for boosting infrastructure in the country. So it was specially incorporated to
Hmm.
mm,
Tell me.
just a minute, sir. Yes, like there are many organizations in India which are focused on various sectors. Like Exim is focusing on export import, and IDBI is focusing on industrial development. So to boost infrastructure in the India, NAPFID was incorporated so that major projects involving for development of roads or railways can be boosted by financing.
Sir, can you tell me who is the chairman of NABFID? Is
Sorry,
he?
sir, I don't know.
No, it is given as KV Kamath. Is he alive now? There was one
Mm,
person who died recently. He was connected with our ICICI Bank also. This man is no more. Why they are giving his name here? KV Kamath. KV Kamath, I think, yeah, he passed away on 27th May 2020. He was the chairman of New Development Bank. But how
okay.
come in the NAB FID they are giving that picture? Oh,
I have not updated it.
Yeah, they have not updated this.
Mm.
NAPFID, useless fellows. Doesn't matter. No, because they have asked in one interview about NAPFID and all, one boy or one girl, I don't know. You must have seen the questions given by me.
Yes, I am preparing for it.
Yeah. Now, can you tell me about some of the international crises that world is facing now?
Uh, Israel crisis
Mm,
is one such the recent one, and
brief.
it is and
You must be
yes,
able
it
to
is.
talk. You must be able to tell about it briefly. आप उसका
Sir,
वजह से about 2 minutes, 1 minute बात करने के लिए इसराइल, where is Israel and Gaza? Who is the
hmm.
Prime Minister of Israel? What is happening there, and what is happening in Gaza? What is the stand of United Nations? What is the stand of USA? What is the stand of India in this regard? Something like that आप बात करना है.
Sir, can you please mention the points again? I will make a note of it.
Now, please write down the
Hmm.
Israel Prime Minister's name and Gaza or the Palestine where the war is going on, and the important countries associated with that. For example, Egypt, then Jordan, then followed by Iran, because either they are supporting this country or that country. So you must know about it.
Hmm.
And what is the present state of the war, as it is seen in the newspapers, and what steps the United Nations is taking in this regard, and what is the stand of UNO, what is the stand of USA, what is the stand of India.
Okay, sir.
From this angle, if you can speak, it will make a very good thing. It will be a very good one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What do you think is the job role of a management trainee in our Exim Bank?
So the job role of management trainee, there are various departments in Exim Bank. So management trainee is majorly involved if it is if it is for credit purpose. In credit, if a person is given a credit department, then the major job role would be to scrutinize the financial documents of the companies which are coming for loan, and to review it, and to perform various financial ratios, and to study it, and then give a opinion whether it needs to be uh, given loan or not, and if not, then what is the reason behind it.
Good, not bad. Now, what is the latest news that you have read in the papers in the last 1 week?
Sir, read, I was searching news, so I read about that 9,000 crore NPA, and
Hmm.
there was one more 1 billion. I don't remember the keyword, but it was something that India did for the first time. So I don't remember it very well.
Where did you see that? Did you see it in the banking updates or where?
No, I searched it on Google, Exim News.
No, I suggest you better go through the banking updates that are being given. So at
Sure,
least you
sir.
are thorough with these things.
Okay, sir.
That will be better. Okay,
Hmm.
very nice. Then what is LPA?
NPA is non-performing assets. Like loans are assets for a bank. So when it don't perform well, when the interest and principals are not received on time, it turns into NPA, which is usually 90 days. After 90 days.
Super. What
So
is
for
what is net worth?
net worth is current. It is asset minus liabilities. Total asset minus liabilities. It is like a shareholders fund.
What is net worth of our Exim Bank?
Um, Sir, I don't remember.
Net worth, the total wealth of an individual or a company or household taking into account of all financial assets and liabilities. How to calculate net worth? The first step is to calculate the net worth of the individual at the start and the end of the period. Okay, then same thing. What is net worth of a company? For the purpose of simplicity, we will limit our discussion either individuals or net worth is the value of a person. Same thing. That's what he says. What is
Yes.
the net worth between? What is the difference between net worth and liabilities?
Net worth is like the shareholders fund, which is
Hmm.
left after subtracting asset and liabilities. And what is the other one you said, sir? Can you repeat?
Liabilities.
Yes,
Liabilities.
liabilities is something that we owe, like loans, short-term loans or long-term loans, pay account payables. These are all liabilities that we need to pay.
Why it is important? Why net worth is important for analyzing proposals?
It shows how much the person, uh, how much. Just a second, sir. It tells the position of the person by after subtracting the liability, whatever is left, it belongs to the owners. So any kind of profit that is being reinvested into the businesses can also be seen through the through the net worth of the individual.
The net worth, it helps you evaluating where you are financially or the company is financially, and also helps you identifying problem areas and
Hmm.
also to achieve the financial goals. Then
Okay.
there is one question: what is net worth versus income?
Net
In,
worth is
Net worth is not the same as income. Just because an individual earns a high income does not necessarily mean they have a high net worth, and vice versa. If someone has a high salary but spends money with ease, it is reflected poorly in their net worth. So I am giving you a
hmm.
link in our
Hmm.
newspaper.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
in our newspaper group, I am giving it now. You please go and take it afterwards,
Okay, sir,
please.
sure.
Because I found some interesting questions are there. So that's why I asked you. Good.
Okay.
You are managing other questions nicely.
Okay.
Now, suddenly, can you tell me what is the difference between Exim Bank and other banks? I think all
Eh,
these questions I have given you, na, in our WhatsApp itself. I have given all these questions, na.
yes, sir, I'm referring it.
Yeah. So थोड़ा इसके लिए प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए एग्जिम बैंक एंड अदर बैंक्स को क्या डिफरेंस है कमर्शियल बैंक्स क्या करते हैं और एग्जिम बैंक क्या करते हैं
Sir,
इसको
every other,
हम्म,
yes, every like all other banks are focused in retail and commercial, whereas Exim Bank is solely focused on export and import businesses.
हम्म,
That makes it difference, and by boosting export, it is contributing to the economy. On the other hand, the normal banks provide saving accounts and current accounts and term deposits for the normal individuals, whereas this is not available in Exim.
who are the key personnel in our exim bank?
MD is Harsha Bangari and Deputy MD is Tarun Sharma.
Super.
So it is it is also seen in the screen. I
अच्छा
said it
अच्छा
without seeing.
you are
I
seeing
said it without seeing actually.
it. No, I don't know. Even
Okay.
yeah, sorry, doesn't matter. अच्छा जी एक बार ये सब को पढ़ लीजिए ना. But one thing,
हाँ.
beyond this, major questions will be based on your Amity. Where what did you learn there? What is the
Okay.
project you have done there?
Sir, we had three projects, one financial, two projects, one financial and one general. So in financial, I did a study on whether companies preferred rented premises or buying a premise for their new venture. And for general management, I selected a topic on mental health.
What is the conclusion for the first one?
For the first one, it was found that businesses would like to go for rental shops because it is a burden for a new company to invest so much in the assets. So getting a rented shop is better.
It is because that investment on that asset will not get the return comparable to the interest that has to be paid on the money borrowed.
Yes,
Very good. Best wishes. What is your name? I
Sarika.
forgot. Good. Your performance was good, but only thing is from now onwards you go through this Exim Bank website thoroughly. Also go through ratio analysis pakka. Go through
Yes, sir.
IBC SURFACE and NAPFID quad. Then about yourself. Tell us about your family.
Sir, my father owns a spare part shop of vehicles like car and what I can say bus and
No, you can say
truck.
automobile.
Yeah,
Automobile
okay,
spare.
automobile. My mother is a housewife. I have two siblings. My brother is an engineer. He's also working in Mumbai, and my sister is working in PNB
Yeah. PNB as what?
as treasury manager.
Treasury manager. Ore Papa. How
Hmm.
long has she been working in PNB?
Sir, there was a recruitment, I think, around in 2021 for a specialist officer, and that is how she got recruited through it.
Did you ever ask her what is treasury manager's responsibility? Because I don't know. That is why I'm
I,
asking.
actually, I asked her, but I don't understand what she tries to explain.
Um,
Like it
please
is more,
please
yeah.
check up. Please check up with her the suitable time. I can talk to her through WhatsApp, or I can talk through my foreign landline also. I just want to
Okay.
know what is the treasury manager's responsibilities
I know
in
only a
Punjab.
bit.
Tell me.
I tried to ask her, but I cannot understand her work properly. It is difficult to understand. So she told me like, if it is more of like a trade finance. So if a customer wants to get loan, then they convert the currency. They do that, and they also do. This is something I remember, like currency quotation.
Mm,
Yes, and they also have risk management.
mm. Anyhow, uh, can you check up from her?
Yes,
Mm,
sure.
and if she cannot talk, I know she'll be busy. Ask her
Hmm.
to send some links that are available in PNB website itself regarding
Okay,
this
sir.
treasury money, so that I can
Okay.
go through. Because now that will be of great use for me for my credit officer's interview also.
Actually, so credit officer is a bit different from
I know,
treasury.
I know. 100% different.
Hmm.
Anyhow, best wishes. Thank you so much. Any
Thank you,
question?
sir.
Any
Yes,
questions?
sir. Yes, I have one question. Like, you told me to read about Israel. So, like, there are any other topics that I can cover?
You can also go through Ukraine and Russia. It's
Hmm.
never ending problem, but still you have to go through that.
Hmm.
And you also get to know about what happened in this elections. इसका बारे में कुछ जरूर क्वेश्चन आएगा.
Sir, they will only ask like who won from your state and
Consti-
how many seats.
your constituency, who won from that
Okay.
your constituency,
Hmm.
and what is the politics going on in Maharashtra, I think a lot of problems are going on. Na?
Yes.
Pawar is jumping to once he is going by auto rickshaw. Sometimes he goes by plane. He wants to do these two together. So very
Hmm.
interesting. I don't know.
Okay.
क्या पूछेगा पता नहीं है. फिर भी आप जो कुछ एटलीस्ट करंट अफेयर स्निपेट्स हम दे रहा हूँ उसको पढ़ लीजिए. और इसका अलावा because in the interviews they are serious. I asked almost all tough questions for you, but there,
Hmm.
instead of it being fully serious, they ask
Hmm.
simple personality related questions like strengths, weakness, achievements, happy day, sad day,
Okay.
role model, like that. ये सबको answer देना है.
Okay, sir.
I think you can do it. It is not a problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Because now I saw somebody, Dheeraj
Hmm.
Agarwal is Chief Manager of Treasury at Punjab National Bank.
Okay.
LinkedIn में मिलता है. Anyway,
Hmm.
thank you. Bye bye. You
Okay,
did
sir.
well.
Bye.
You did well.
Thank you.
There is no reason I should not select you, but
Hmm.
much depends on the written test marks.
Yes, sir. I'm not sure. I think I scored a bit less, so I'm kind of worried about that.
Oh, no,
Hmm.
but first get rid of the worries till the interview is completed.
Yes, sir.
Please, best wishes. And another important suggestion I may try to give you is to improve your competence in reasoning, quants, English, computer, etc., GK, etc., so that you can
Hmm.
compete favorably in IBPS exams also.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Not that you will not get this, you will certainly get this. And only thing is, maybe you can also try for SEBI if when it comes, SEBI or NABARD.
Yes, sir. I'm also focusing on those exams.
Very good. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I will stop recording this. Ashish Jha.